Hello, good afternoon. Hi, hi. Long time no see. Yeah, yeah, just trying to test out the video game. It seems that the built-in camera not so good. Maybe it's 480. Not sure it got 720 or not. I think it's the quality is not so good. Long time never use Zoom to do any recording. Exploitation. Yeah, I think I have to do some try some recording on this Zoom. Actually, you asked me, I also don't know what to talk about. What to talk about? What to talk about? What to talk about? Yeah. Uh, what to talk about? Have you believed in Jesus Christ? Are you saved? Are you born again? Do you believe that Jesus died on the cross for you, died for your sin, so you can get saved and return to God? That is the one of the most important thing I want to talk about. Have you received Jesus? Have you accepted the gospel of Jesus Christ? Other than that, uh, yeah, yeah, just want to practice talking. Seems that Zoom is, I mean, just using even the laptop is okay to talk. Have to learn how to talk, talk, you know, talk. It's like in front of the camera sometimes not it's not natural. Normal talking also not like that. Only in front of camera, not talking not so good. But to practice a lot to improve my tone, my volume, not suddenly loud, suddenly soft. So and the pauses in between the video, all these have to learn to remove. Maybe mostly still have to do editing. Editing, edit whatever the process within the video edit out. How is your journey if you same as me who can't really talk so fluent? How what is the method? What practice you do to improve your speech, your talking? Leave the comment below how you practice. Share with us so we can learn something from you also. Okay, I think I think this will be the end of this video. Hopefully we can do one video per day, two video, three video. We start with one video per day with this talking head on uh, live, live recording, and try try not to do any editing. Just live, live. Okay, bye.